The B-2 Spirit stealth bomber is one of the most advanced aircraft in the world, known for its distinctive flying wing design and radar evading capabilities. Watching a B-2 take off and land is an impressive sight due to its unique shape and quiet operation for a bomber of its size. The B-2's engines are started, and final system checks are performed on the ground. The aircraft moves to the runway, and due to its wide wingspan, 172 feet, it requires careful handling. The four General Electric F118GE100 engines generate thrust, and the bomber accelerates down the runway, unlike conventional aircraft with vertical stabilizers. The B-2 smoothly lifts off with an elegant, almost UFO-like ascent. Climb in stealth mode. After takeoff, the B-2 retracts its landing gear and transitions to a high-altitude stealth flight profile. B-2 landing. The bomber returns to base using GPS and advanced avionics for a precise approach. Unlike fighter jets, the B-2 has a relatively smooth and quiet descent due to its blended wing body. The aircraft lands with a graceful glide, and its landing gear absorbs the impact. Rollout and taxi. It slows down using wheel brakes and aerodynamic drag, then taxis to its designated parking area. You enjoyed this video? Hit like button and subscribe for more epic military aviation content.